Hey guys, it's Christy. Thank you so much for clicking on the channel. Today I'm going to work on two sides that you could do for Thanksgiving. We're just roasting a chicken tonight, and I thought it would be a great idea to try one of these recipes because I always say do not try any recipes on Thanksgiving. Make sure you give it a run through first. And I saw a picture of some butternut squash, acorn squash, medley, like roasted vegetables with some cranberries. But I decided to go with, so my mixture is butternut squash and acorn squash, a sweet potato, and some of these big old fat Brussels sprouts. So I'm gonna roast these guys, and then when they're done, instead of cranberries, I'm gonna do pomegranate seeds. I think one of them also had like pecans in it, but like I've said before, I love cooking because you can just make it your own. Sorry guys, my hair is a little bit wild because I went on a walk earlier today and it's still snowing here. So, and then the other one that I'm gonna show you is a basic green bean casserole, and it's not a fancy one. It's literally an easy one. Thanksgiving, you can pick what items you wanna make from scratch and which ones you wanna do help from the grocery store. And that one I just use canned good items. I'll show you that in a little bit. So first, I have all of my all of my vegetables chopped, and I'll insert a little clip of me struggling to chop that butternut squash. If anybody knows how to do it better, send me a link. Show me how it's done. It was the hardest thing I've ever had to do, so I'll just show you a little clip of that. And then I put some oil, salt and pepper to taste, and then I'm gonna mix this together and then put it on cookie sheets. So let's do that. All right, guys, so I got my vegetables on here. I have my oven set to 375. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit more oil and salt and pepper. I don't feel like, there's a lot in here. I don't feel like they were all. My butternut squash, as you saw, was quite large. So if you only want to do half, you can. I'm just doing a trial run on this to see how it turns out, to see if we would like it. So salt, pepper to taste, olive oil, got them on here, and I'm gonna stick these in an oven at 375. Probably, I'm gonna check them in 30 minutes, but there's a lot on here, so it might take 30 to 45 minutes, but we'll see. All right, guys, so my squash and Brussels sprouts were in the oven for about 45 minutes. And then I de-seeded the pomegranate. So I just put the pomegranate seeds in because I want them fresh, and I'm just gonna mix it up. Oh, it smells wonderful. And then if people want to put more pomegranate seeds on their plate, we have extra, they can do that. I think I'm going to taste for seasoning. Looks delicious.
I started taking it, and after a period of time, my memory improved. It was a game changer for me. At stores everywhere without a prescription.
Some of them have great caramelization on the bottom. Let's get a Brussels sprout with it. Ooh, no, I like the crispy.
Mexico News Insider, sponsored by New Mexico PBS.
Needs a little bit more salt. Ooh, that's really good, guys. This is a great side dish for Thanksgiving. Oh yeah. All right. That's side dish number one, like a squash sweet potato hash with some Brussels sprouts. Let's show you side number two. All right, guys, so for the second one is your green bean casserole. And I know a lot of people have a traditional green bean casserole with their Thanksgiving dinner. You can pick those nasty pieces out. Make the cream of mushroom sauce if you want to. You can get the fresh green beans if you want to. But on this, I always take help from the grocery store on my green bean casserole, and everybody still loves it. So I do just the canned cut green beans. I do the cream of mushroom. And I do, so this one is just a smaller version. If you're gonna be doing it for Thanksgiving, you would just, of course, measure to how many guests you're going to have. So this one is the 4 cans of green beans and 2 cans of cream of mushroom. We'll probably feed, I would say, maybe 5 to 6 people, depending on how much you guys really like the green bean casserole. So you can adjust the size quantity if you would like. So all we're gonna do is mix the green beans and the soup together. It's the condensed cream of mushroom soup. And if you like less, you can just do like 1 can of the cream of mushroom and it'll be more like on the green bean side. It's totally up to you. Okay? This is how easy this is. And I don't understand why people give it a bad rap. Maybe it's just too much sodium. If it's too much sodium, you can get the no salt added. You can get the low sodium on the soup can if you want. And then you get the crispy onions and you just top it. And you literally just put it in the oven. My oven's at 375 until it is warmed through and these crispy onions have a bit of color on them. So if you need a few sides that are easy peasy, this green bean casserole is one of them. All right, guys, this is what the green bean casserole looks like after about 15 minutes. They're nice and crispy, and this is easy side dish number 2.